Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget metal detectors available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the VEVOR metal detector. One of the standout features of the VEVOR metal detector is its high-precision detection capability. As I set out on my first adventure, I was impressed by how precisely the detector captured tiny metal signals. I found myself in an open field where I began searching for coins and other treasures. The device emitted a clear beep, and the LCD backlit display made it easy to read the detection status, even in bright sunlight. I was able to pinpoint hidden coins and small metal objects with surprising accuracy, ensuring that I didn't miss out on any precious finds. Carrying the VEVOR metal detector was a breeze. Weighing in at a manageable size with a 10-inch search coil, it felt lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable handle, which can extend from 41 to 52 inches, made it comfortable for me and my family members, regardless of height. During my time using the VEVOR metal detector, I felt confident in its durability. It's constructed from high-quality materials designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. I used it in various weather conditions, and it performed reliably every time. At number 2 is the TECLUNG underground metal detector. The GTX5030H runs on two 9V batteries, which aren't included in the package. I found this slightly inconvenient, but it's a minor gripe. On the bright side, the battery life exceeded my expectations. I was able to use the detector for several long sessions before needing to replace the batteries. The LCD screen is a game changer. It provides clear, easy-to-interpret information about the type of metal detected and its approximate depth. I found the controls intuitive, and after a short learning curve, I was able to adjust settings on the fly without interrupting my search. As part of the DIY metalworking supplies category, I expected the GTX5030H to be robust, and it didn't disappoint. I've used it in various weather conditions, from scorching heat to light rain, and it's held up beautifully. The construction quality gives me confidence that this detector will be my faithful companion on many future adventures. At number 3 on our list is the TIANXUN metal detector. The Maryland 4090 features a clear and vibrant LCD display, which is another reason I appreciate this model. The screen is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and provides all the necessary information at a glance. I found it particularly useful for monitoring battery life, depth indicators, and target identification. The LCD display also shows different modes and settings, making it intuitive for users of all experience levels. Whether I'm hunting for gold rings or old coins, I can easily adjust the settings without fumbling around. This user-friendly interface allows me to focus more on the hunt and less on the technicalities. One of the standout features of the TIANXUN Maryland 4090 is its high accuracy in detecting various types of metals. From the moment I turned it on, I could feel the difference in sensitivity compared to my previous detectors. The precision with which it identifies different metals is remarkable, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned pros and beginners alike. Moving up at number 4 is the TTAKA7TC500 metal detector. One of the primary reasons I invested in the TC500 was its impressive detection capabilities. This metal detector is specifically designed to find underground gold and silver jewelry, making it ideal for those of us who love searching for lost treasures. During my outings, I found that it quickly located coins and other metals buried beneath the surface. It even proved effective in detecting mines, which was a pleasant surprise. I've uncovered some incredible finds using this device, and I appreciate the reliability it offers in various terrains. Visibility is key when using a metal detector, and the TC500 does not disappoint. Its digital display, complete with a backlight function, is easy to read even in low light conditions. I often find myself hunting at dawn or dusk, so this feature is incredibly helpful. The display shows essential information such as battery status, sensitivity levels, and detection mode, allowing me to make quick adjustments as needed. The working frequency of 10 kHz also enhances the detector's performance. It strikes a good balance between depth and sensitivity, making it effective for a wide range of targets. At number 5 is the Maryland 5090 metal detector. The adjustable stem on the Maryland 5090 is a game-changer. As someone who often spends long hours scanning the ground, I appreciate the ability to modify the detector's length to suit my height. This feature made it comfortable to operate, reducing fatigue and strain on my back and arms. The design caters to a variety of users, ensuring that everyone, regardless of height, can find it easy to handle. Detection devices can sometimes be intimidating for beginners, but the Maryland 5090 makes the learning curve much smoother. The audio alarm provides a clear indication when metal is detected, ensuring that I don't miss any significant finds. I also appreciated the adjustable volume feature on the MD 5090. Being able to control the output volume of the loudspeaker or earphones allowed me to adapt my detection experience to various environments. For instance, when hunting in quieter areas, I could lower the volume to avoid disturbing the piece. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.